This video/stream is sponsored by TradersCentral.com. Traders Central provide funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusively for communicating with your traders friends. Sign up using the link in the descriptions and get up to 30% off on your first plan. Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continued support to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to be doing daily technical analysis in British Pound US Dollar currency pairs. I'll do the analysis from the weekly time frame to lower time frame. It will help you to understand the overall price action from the higher time frame to lower time frame. I'll also be sharing the current support and resistance levels and the trend of the current price action. Please use it as a reference for deciding on your trade entry and exit. It's not a trading advice. So I'm in weekly time frame now. When we look at the price action in weekly time frame, previously it was in a very nice bullish trend and around the level of 2.1126 it found a very strong resistance, and from here we had noticed a price action to trend on a bearish side continuously. And it took support around the level of 1.42 and it started trading within a range on a sideways. And since it couldn't break the resistance level of 1.16, it started falling further on the bearish side. And currently the price action is trading between the resistance level of 1.42 and the support level of 1.140. And currently also we are noticing the price action to move on a sideways within the resistance and support levels. And when you analyze the price action, the distance between this level is equal to the distance between this level, and again currently also it is trading within this resistance and support level. So from this price action we can understand that whenever the price action makes a downward movement or on the upward movement, it always trades in the same range. So here I have drawn a resistance line over here, and currently when we notice the price action, it has taken support around the support level of 1.143 and went on a bullish trend. Again it found resistance at the resistance level of 1.419 and currently it is on a bearish trend. So it broke this resistance level and currently it has broken it and it is retesting this resistance line. This resistance line plays a very vital role whether the trend is on the bullish side or it is going to continue its bearish trend. And when we analyze this area of the price action more closely, I am using the Fibonacci extension tool to understand the current support and resistance level for the present price action. So currently the price action has broken this resistance line and it is trading above the Fibonacci's level of 0.168, and next level of resistance is going to be around 0.5%, which is the 50% retracement of this bullish trend. Usually this 50% is considered as a strong resistance level. So if the price action breaks this resistance level, we can expect the bullish trend reversal to start in weekly time frame. So presently the price action is trading in a resistance zone between the resistance level of 1.275 and the support level of 1.244. And it has also momentarily broken this resistance line, and if the price action sustains above this trend line, it is going to be the start of the bullish trend, and if it falls below this trend line, it is going to be the continuation of this bearish trend. We have the next level of support which is around 1.199, and this whole area is going to be acting as a very strong support zone because in the past we have noticed this area to act as a very strong support zone. Only when the price action falls below this support level, it is the start of the new bearish trend. Let us do the analysis in daily time frame. I'm in daily time frame. When we analyze the price action in daily time frame, I have drawn a resistance line and the support line. It was previously trading in a bearish channel pattern and it has broken this support line to fall further on the bearish side. And when we analyze the distance between this resistance and support line and the distance it has fallen further on the bearish side, I am copying the same bearish channel pattern. So we can notice that it has fallen the same distance here also. So currently the price action has taken support on this bearish channel pattern support line, and it is on a retracement to retest on the resistance line of the previous bearish channel pattern support line. So if the bullish trend needs to continue, it has to break this resistance line in order to trend further on the bullish side. So if the price action doesn't manage to break this resistance line, we can expect it to again bounce back on the bearish trend reversal. And as long as it is trading within this bearish channel pattern, it will be the continuation of this bearish trend. So these are all the resistance and support levels for daily time frame. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. So I am in hourly time frame. Here I have drawn the support line over here, and I have drawn the resistance line also. And clearly we can notice that the bullish momentum is becoming weaker and weaker. It is more trading on a sideways, but still we have little bit of bullish momentum which is driving the price action to retrace on the bullish side. The first level of resistance is going to be the 1.275, which is also the 50% retracement level in the Fibonacci's extension tool. Only when the price action breaks this resistance line and the bearish channel pattern support line, we can expect the price action to trend on the bullish side. Wait for the price action to break this support line or the trend line in order to take trades on the bearish side. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, you can take trades on the bullish side. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this orange color boxes are the resistance and support levels for the current price action, and currently the price action is in a bullish trend. Let us do the analysis in 30 minutes time frame. I am in 30 minutes time frame. I am drawing the trend line to check the current trend of the price action. So previously the price action was respecting this support line and was trading on a bullish trend. It took resistance from the hourly time frame resistance line, and currently when we notice the price action, it is in a very nice bearish trend. Wait for the price action to trend down and take support on this hourly time frame support line, and if the price action bounces back on the bullish side, breaking this resistance line from the 30 minutes time frame, you can take trades on the bullish side. And if the price action breaks this trend line and also breaks this support line from the weekly time frame, you can take trades on the bearish side. Currently it is under a consolidation between this support and resistance line. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So the values within this orange color boxes are the resistance and support levels for 30 minutes time frame. Currently the price action in 30 minutes time frame is in a sideways under a consolidation. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. Here in 5 minutes time frame also I am drawing one more support line over here and a resistance line also. So from this resistance and support line, it is very clear that it is under a consolidation. Wait for the price action to give a breakout on the bearish side or on the bullish side to take a directional trade. If the price action breaks this support line, next level of support is going to be the hourly time frame trend line or the support line. And if the price action breaks this resistance line, we have the next level of resistance, which is from the 30 minutes time frame. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So the values within this orange color boxes are the resistance and support levels for the current price action. That's all the analysis for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video to be useful, press that like button and share this video with your friends.